Hey guys, Mike here. I'm not sure I've ever done this before, but I'm making a watch list video for tomorrow with almost 2 hours left to go in the session. It's because it's the only time I can do it, so it's going to be take it with a grain of salt video, right? Because some of these may look vastly different by the time the market closes. So keep that in mind. But I only have to go on what I have to go on, and I won't be able to make a video later. I do plan on trading tomorrow though. All right. So anyway, here goes. The SPY right now, and again, all this can change. The Dow's down about 500 points. SPY's kind of an ugly gap down day. Tomorrow's FOMC day, so anything can happen tomorrow. There could be a surprise higher interest rate hike than thought, and we could still rally, or vice versa, or any other combination, right? Anything can happen. Always remember that. But anyway, so real quick hat tip. I think Nick C posted this through 12 today, just a little bit ago. Kind of a second mouse through 12 idea with a high day just above, and a pretty quick move to 14. That was pretty cool, right? And it's going to be on watch tomorrow. I don't even have my watch list in front of me. All right, so what else are we watching? This is definitely one of them. AMPX. It's only been trading for 4 days, but a big move today. MGAM, a gap up, and again, these may look different tomorrow or by the closing bell, but a gap up and is holding up pretty well. BRAX, gap up, not holding up as well, but I'm going to put it on a chart. NRBO, which I've had on the watch list for several days in a row, and I'm embarrassed to say I didn't catch a trade in the thing. But a really, really nice move. And so if that one continues tomorrow, then INM and excuse me, there we go. Pixie also goes on the list. Those tend to run together. They're just those recent reverse splits. I already talked about AMPX, but I'll show it one more time. Pretty strong move today. Laser, LAZR, gapped up and looks like maybe topped out right at the hole number 10. So we're super interesting tomorrow through 10. HKD, I'm just putting it back on Bounce Watch, right? It had a 2-day run from $46 to $385. That's not a typo. That actually happened, and now it's been bleeding lower ever since. To me, it's a decent setup for what might give a sizable move if it meets our bounce play parameters, right? So it definitely goes on watch tomorrow. Stupid spready, stupid thin. So if you do see an A+ setup and you fall in love with it, you still need to, as Wayne would put it, recognize the real risk and adjust your position size, right? RUM is Rumble. This is the second day that's been trading under RUM. You had the big rip yesterday, gave a good chunk of that back today. I'm looking for a third day play, kind of a bounce play setup tomorrow. That's RUM. PXMD was on Bounce Watch. I'm just putting it right back on Bounce Watch. And then a kind of a sleeper pick, BIAF, IPO'd, went nuts. Had a really nice day this day before reversing, and it's been bleeding lower ever since. So now we're sitting at all-time lows. Just putting that on Bounce Watch. And that's all I have. We'll add gappers to this in the pre-market. And I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning. Again, my apologies for the video that may become irrelevant by the closing bell. We'll see. All right, have a good night.